OC to a New Hampshire D15 chromax.Black dual tower CPU cooler 140mm About this item. Proven premium heats, Inc. More than 300 awards and recommendations from international hardware websites. Now available in an all-black design that goes great with many color schemes and RGB LEDs. Extra wide 140mm dual tower design with 6 heat pipes and dual fans provides maximum quiet cooling efficiency on a par with many all-in-one water coolers. Ideal for overclockers and silent enthusiasts. Dual fan design with renowned, award-winning NF-A15 140mm fans with low noise adapters and PWM for automatic speed control. Full cooling performance under load. Whisper quiet at idle. Includes high-end NTH1 thermal paste and SCCU firm-to-mounting system for easy installation on Intel LGA 1851, LGA 1700, LGA 1200, LGA 115X and AMD AM5 AM4. Renowned in OC to a quality backed up by 6-year manufacturer's warranty. Deluxe choice for Intel Core i9, i7, i5, i3 EG, 14900K, 14700K, 14600K, and AMD Ryzen EG, 7950X3D, 7900X3D, 7800X3D, 7700.
Thank you for watching Gadgets Hunt. Don't forget to subscribe.